polyculture, indigenous polyculture. The word indigenous from the Latin means generated from within, or one can say self-generating, to keep in order the order of the syllables in indigene and self-generating. And our indigenous ancestors all around the world cultivated orchards with tall nut trees and fruit trees, bushes and berries, vines, and polyculture is all of these on different levels. So you can see here, these are the, you'll see the roses, rose hips that are growing here, and there's full of rose hips this year. And I've been eating the rose petals. I've been just loving the scent of rose in all of my salads and all of my food for about a month now. I thought it would last forever, but a new season is starting, and here are mint flowers down here, and up here these are daylilies, and you know, geez, you can pick those, and these will go into the salad this evening. Actually, we'll pick a couple of the fresh ones too, and they'll just add a little bit of color to the salad that we've got. These are shallots and shallot heads, which I cut up. They're nice and spicy. And down even further, here are the flowers starting on the potatoes. And the potatoes are mixed throughout the garden. This is called polyculture, working on different levels, but also different mixtures. This tree over here, which is a cherry tree, it's a second-year cherry tree, but it had the most wonderful cherries on it this year, second year after planting. And it's actually growing under the umbrella of this maple tree, which some of the maple trees here we tap in the spring for their maple sap. And that of course, when you cook your rice in that, it's just lovely. We've also got catch the maple seeds with the helicopters as they're flying off, and you can actually eat those seeds mixed in a little bit in your salad and in other foods. The insects are making the soil by chewing on the wood, by chewing on the grass. They need moist conditions, and so we're working with all of these creatures under here. Okay, the hollyhock related to the marshmallow. And marshmallow is actually made from the roots, and some of the plant parts can contribute to the that mushy, gummy material that were originally all produced from plants. Now it's all produced synthetically. You go to the store, you buy a marshmallow, you're giving your kids chemical. That's all they're getting. This is the real stuff. We get hollyhocks all around us. It's quite a popular plant. It grows in many, many gardens in the city. And if you get they're open today, tomorrow they're going to start twisting. Each one of the ones that we've got open here, after a couple of days they'll start twisting, and then there's that succulent, gummy, sweet flavor that's so special this time of year. And these will last. We'll get over a month and a half out of our marshmallows of fresh from the garden all the time. Next episode, we'll be coming back to the pear tree here, an apple tree over there, cherry trees there, plum tree behind you. All these trees, they form the backbone of polyculture. The trees are the deepest photosynthesizers. They're taking solar energy through these wonderful fractal leaf surfaces, and they're absorbing the solar energy around us that normally makes us too hot. And we've got trees growing around us. Polyculture is the answer for the human race for living on planet Earth. See you next time.